Have you ever wondered how these new channels are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views with less than 10 videos? Here's how. YouTube has changed their algorithm in a way which benefits these new channels. You see, TikTok has recently passed YouTube in total watch hours, and to combat against this, YouTube has changed their algorithm to become more like TikTok. TikTok gives a big boost to new accounts. YouTube is essentially copying them to try and keep up. They've taken a page out of TikTok's playbook and now are also supercharging new channels to try and stay relevant. 2. Thumbnails. Perhaps the most important part of a video is the thumbnail. It is responsible for your click-through rate, which measures how often viewers watched a video after seeing it on their home page. A good thumbnail is one that effectively captures the viewer's attention and conveys the video's content. Compare these two thumbnails. Which video are you more inclined to click on? The left one is more captivating, and that's what these channels do. They keep their thumbnails very minimal. They contain bright colors to differentiate subjects and focus your attention to a certain point on the thumbnail. 3. Intro. First impressions are everything, and a YouTuber has 3 seconds to engage a viewer before they decide to leave. What these channels do is keep their intro short and precise, and get to the point within the first 10 seconds. Don't blabber on and on, as that is not what the viewer clicked for. Instead, use a hook that creates curiosity in the viewer. Implement flashy visuals or exciting clips to create a sense of anticipation, which will further entice the viewer to watch until the end. Let's take a look at one example.
These faceless YouTube channels are all creating recent news-related videos. These videos only consist of a voiceover, simple footage, and
in the first 10 seconds, he already lays out the building blocks of the video, implementing fast-paced visuals to keep you engaged and getting straight to the point. 4. Editing. With the short attention spans of Gen Z, your editing style will play a crucial role to your channel's growth. The editing styles of these channels are designed in such a way to keep the viewer engaged for as long as possible. This can be done using copyright-free stock footage from platforms like Pixabay or Pixels, switching scenes or angles every second or two, and incorporating transitions and animations. Moreover, a good editing style will be sure to boost your average view duration, which will signify the YouTube algorithm that your video is doing well and pump it out to more people.